So I already have the airbag loose, so I'm going to show you what's inside of it so you know what you're kind of doing, because to disconnect the airbag, you got to go from behind and you can't see what you're doing at all. So with the car running, I went ahead and turned the steering wheel like this. Okay, you're going to end up working with it like this, and then you're going to turn it the other way. But we're going to start like this, and I'm going to turn the car off so the airbag doesn't pop in my face, because a lot of people are worried about that. But on the back of the airbag steering wheel, you have these holes. There's one right here and one at the bottom. Okay, this is your access to the back of the airbag. And what you're looking for is the back of the airbag. This is where the holes match up, and there's this little silver bar right here. Hopefully you can see that silver bar right there. Okay, so when you stick the screwdriver, you're gonna need a flathead screwdriver. This is just a normal flathead screwdriver. And when you stick it back behind here, what you're trying to do is unclip that metal bar, okay, from this piece right here. Okay, you're just trying to get it and pop it down like that. Here's the bar, and you're gonna come in through this hole right here, and you're going to be pushing down on it, whoops, like this. Okay, see how this moves? Once you get it so far down, it unclips from this piece right here.